Hey everyone, it's day 30th of Movement Control Order MCO in Malaysia, and my friend has sent me a promotion by Go Noodle House yesterday, and I've just checked it out. It's quite a good deal. It's a hot pot promotion, which is just 56 ringgit, and what they include for you is that it's served 4 to 6 people. They give you 200 ml of superior soup stock, which you need to add with all these ingredients. The cooking oil, ginger, pepper, sesame oil, and also the cooking wine with the 3 liter of water to cook the soup. They give you the direction on how you can do this here in their promo leaflet. And other than that, they also give you the mian xian and also give you some direction on how to cook the mian xian. So in this hot pot kit, you can do at least 6 to 7 bowl of noodle portion. And they actually give one free cooler bag here as well. So it's actually quite a good deal. So I have actually ordered it, but they don't do delivery, so I will have to go and pick it up. But the place where I will pick it up is actually more than 10 km away from my house, so I'm not going to drive. Fortunately, I can take the train there, so I'll be taking the train there in a while and pick it up from the store and come back. Okay, I'm now all ready. I need to catch the 5 o'clock train. The train operation during the MCO period is only 9 hours per day. It's 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and the next train is at 5 p.m. and ends at 10 p.m. So I'm going to catch for the 5 p.m. train, and I can reach there by 5:45 because that's the pickup time that I have indicated, because all the food restaurants have to close by 8. So at 6 o'clock they already start closing. So I'm early. I'm 15 minutes early, so I'll be going up there to just chill for a while. And I brought an umbrella because the sky looks dark and looks like it's going to rain. Oh, the train is already here. I think I'm just going to go and wait inside. It's actually my first time taking the train since MCO started 3 weeks ago, and seems like the train is super empty. There's nobody except me, but I think it won't be operating until 10 minutes later, which is at 5, but I doubt that anyone is coming in to take the train from my station, this station, because this is the last station. Order cho kìa, có hot pot kìa. Okay, so I've just gotten my Go Noodle hot pot kit, but we are not going to do hot pot. We are just going to use the ingredients to cook one bowl of Go Noodles. And the boss just now was teaching me on how to keep the noodles if I want to keep the noodles, because it's 400 gram and it can serve almost 5 servings. So I just need to cook it and put it in the fridge, soak in water if I want to keep it, and it can keep up to 2 days, which is great because I ran out of idea of what to cook. Hello.
Thank you 啊。
The frozen meatball. We have around 5 packets of it. 5 different meatballs. The bursting pork ball, meat tendon ball, and mushroom pork ball, and also I think this one should be the fish ball. Okay, and this is the superior stock, soup stock that we have. It's a small packet. Later when we cook it, I'll have to add water to make, I think, at least 4 liters of soup. And I've soaked this noodles for 2 hours as instructed, and I'm waiting for the water to boil. After it's boiled, according to the instruction, I only need to cook for 2 minutes. Then that's it. Then I will have to cool it down by putting on flowing water for until the water cools down. Okay. Dash of oil and dash of pepper. In this for 2 minutes. Four. Homemade Go Noodle. The soup first. I think the most important is the soup. But it's a bit cold because I think my soup was hot but my noodle was cold, so when I mix it together, my whole bowl of noodle seemed a bit colder than when than what it's supposed to be lah. It's a bit harder than the restaurant, yeah, because I think I didn't cook long enough. But according to the instruction, I was just supposed to cook for 2 minutes. The noodle is really a bit too hard, not as soft as it should be. So I decided to just cook it on a noodle pot for a while more. Okay, I think it's softened enough. The noodle is not bad. It's actually exactly the same. If you follow the actual instruction on cooking the noodles, it is exactly the same like how it is in the restaurant. Just that the noodle that I cooked wasn't long enough, so it was a bit chewy. So I have to cook it the second time. But the ingredients that they give you, I thought that they are going to give us the ginger, the pepper, and also the rice wine, but actually those are not included in the package. They only give you the stock, and you need to add other ingredients such as the ginger, rice wine, pepper, oil, and sesame oil by ourselves. Luckily, I have those in my kitchen. I managed to add those according to the instruction on how much to add. I actually use half of the stock only, so I have all other ingredients as well. That's why the soup base tastes exactly the same like how it's in the restaurant. Okay, so that's all for this video. I hope you enjoy this video, and if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet. I'll see you in my next video.